Today I'm going to show you how to drive a lawnmower. So get up and on it. Now it's very important that you switch the seat so you can push the pedals all the way down. So like the seat's all the way back, I can kind of reach it, but I can't fully. So it's better to have the seat how you like it. And if it's too far, then it's very uncomfortable. So you have to have it how you like it. And then you have your keyhole. By the way, always ask a parent before doing this. And then you have your key. So you put your key in your keyhole. You put your foot all the way down on the brake. So like here. All the way. Sometimes it's easier if you turn on the emergency brake. But still keep your foot on the brake. Push it. Turn it. Turn the key to the light, then to the start, and then it springs back after going to here. So when it starts, like this. Now remember, foot on brake, foot off gas. It's not always that easy. And if you want to shut it off, turn it to stop. Sometimes it takes a minute. And if you can't get it to start, that's why there's somewhere it should say choke. And it run, so this is run from here to here. So like speed. And then there's choke, so that's choke. It's in choke. But I don't want it in choke right now because it's starting. So when you start it, if you just stand up with the emergency brake on, it won't shut off. I'll show you the difference between if you have the emergency brake on and if you don't. So it's a safety feature that it shuts off when you aren't sitting on it. And that is because of the safety wires and all that safety stuff installed in the seat. So you also have to be heavy enough. And when you do that, when you start it, shut the emergency brake off, and then push. So shut the emergency brake off. How you do that is you push the brake all the way down, then you push this little orange thing. Sometimes it's in different places, but it's always there, and it always locks the brake. You just, and then I could release the brake. So you do that, and then you push, so shut it off, push the brake down, and then you go to here. If you have to go to reverse, you push down, pull back to reverse. If you have to go forward, if you have to park, just there. You have to go forward. Okay. And then once you do that, you take the steering wheel, you can steer to make the engine power a little stronger, to make it go a little faster. You use this. This is the throttle. You use the key, turn it from here to here to turn on the lights. And then this is the gas. So makes it go forward, but make sure you steer when you do that. Here, I'll show you. And that's pretty much how you drive it. So that's pretty much how you drive a mower. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Put any questions in the comments.